sugar water on them.
Sprayed some sugar water on them at first so that they would be calm to start with.
Oh, that's what that was. Hello. Quite a lot of bees there.
See right where he's popping up in there, they were attached with a little bit of foam or sticky stuff there. So we scraped them off there and put them in the little white hive. And now we're going to get the rest of them
Trying to
off
get 'em
there and into the...
He's hurt, but he got the queen and got her into the hive, so that they should follow her. But they're kind of attached to the spot with light.
But you can see that if you look at the bottom of the hive, they're going in and out.
They still want to go back there.
If it had been a flat wall
Well,
where
they're
they
flying
couldn't
around big time
walk
now.
around to the other side. Queen's not there anymore.
So I think we got the queen inside.
There's one buzzing me right now.